one last audio test, then that's it, I promise. So basically, I have my air vents here in the front of the helmet. So I took one here, taped it up, and if I take the microphone, I can basically just stick it in there, just like this. Right. Push it here, push it there, and then I can pull on it and it stays nicely in there, I have a feeling. So last audio test, I promise. One last audio test, I promise. Also curious if the Cardo lady's voice can be heard or not. Okay, audio test. What better place to start it than in the garage? No choke needed. Last time I was riding was yesterday. You saw that video. She wants to go. She wants to go, and me too. I can barely move here. I think I got 5 layers on. Gotta warm up the tires a little bit, right? Yeah, it's 4 degrees out today, but apparently it's gonna be sunny later and nice. The roads are drying up right now, so who am I to take the car, right? Okay guys, I will see you later on the road. Yeah, it is cold. I can see my breath. Everybody is packed up. 4 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, sorry. Right, let's see how that goes. Valkyrie feels fine. I get a lot of airflow, but most of it comes here down from my chin, not through these vents. So the microphone now is right in here at that air vent. I taped it all up, and I think because the microphone will be further away from my mouth, that might get rid of all the clipping I have. I know some of you commented that audio is fine and it's all good. I was too pessimistic and I wanted to be better. So I watched that video with my headphones on and I hear that clipping all the time. It gives me a headache. I don't want that. So just another day. Riding the Portman Bridge. We have the helicopter from the news channels. If you haven't looked it up yet, Portman Bridge is the widest cable-stayed bridge in the world. Until 2017 it was a toll bridge and you had to pay every time you crossed it. Then they stopped it. I'm passing this bridge every day and I just love it. Oh yeah, it's definitely fresh. One day maybe, one day I will get heated here because it washed away all the salt. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that skyline. Beauty. Yeah, I'm a little cocky.
bike and just being able to weasel through the traffic is just the best thing ever. It's so addicting. That sound, the acceleration, everything. I've been riding in Valkyries now for 23 years. We're free with it, 'cause honestly, I'm just too good for the hell. Never gonna love another like you. Everybody's in the left lane again. Look at this. Everybody in the left lane. What do we do? You know. I'm just too good for the half love. Okay guys, you know what? Friday afternoon, 3:40. Let's start the weekend. This guy is happy right now. Wanna know why? I got my good buns. I got my European wieners. I got my Bavarian meatloaf. I can die for that stuff. And we got extra hot capicolo. Best stuff. If you're ever in Vancouver and look for meat, sausages, good European food, go to Joffy's on East Hastings. They're amazing. Alright, this is basically, I don't know, audio test number 11,000. Just a couple more minutes. I'm really just curious if we can get rid of that clipping by just having the microphone here now on the mount, not directly in front of my mouth. Just looking at the input level, it looks better than before, but I guess we find out. Let's wake up some neighbors. And that of course is always, when you come shopping here, you always have a parking spot. Doesn't matter if I come with the Valkyrie or with my small car, I fit there. Alright. Woohoo! See that smile? Doesn't take much. Sitting on a bike, hearing that engine, and just cruising. Oh yeah. Just thinking. Do I wanna? Oh, now it's really 3:40. Traffic's gonna be a nightmare. Yes, we're friendly to the pedestrians. I think when we're doing like normal city speeds, 50 kilometers an hour with the open visor, I don't think there should be a problem with the microphone. That's what I mean. Last time, like, we're doing something like this, we always had that listening to that audio, watching the movies or the videos with headphones, it's just so annoying. Look at this view. Burnaby. Yeah, it is a pretty nice view. Like, just there's a nice sunset that would be over here, and it's all the glass windows. They're just reflecting in nice orange and red colors. It's so beautiful. Ever are around here in this area, straight ahead next to Highway 1, there's an area called Still Creek, and that's where all the crows spend the night, and they always coming during sunset, and it's a sight to see, I tell you. Like, just standing there and you have thousands and thousands and thousands of crows flying in. It's spectacular. But don't park your car there. It's not spectacular there. It gets messy. Yeah, I don't think I want to take the highway. We take low heat instead. And I think that's it for the test right now. Catch you later. Well, okay guys, I had to make a U-turn because we're so close to one of the only tunnels here. Let's see if we can get a nice tunnel ride in here. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Oh my goodness! Is this ever not getting boring? That's for sure. And you know what we do now? We go back the same way. Okay, we have the Iron Workers Memorial Bridge over there. That goes over to North Vancouver. Big semi in front of us, so we take it slow. Iron Workers Memorial over there, and North Van. P&E over there, and the horse race course. And now let's go have some fun again. brave. You can do it. Yeah, I let you in as well. I let everybody in. I'm in a good mood today. Sun's out. I'm riding Valkyrie. How could I not be in a good mood? And it's weekend. It's Friday afternoon. You see the full length of Portman Bridge. I think what I was reading was that the bridge is 2 kilometers long, 10 lanes wide. Oh yeah, wait until we get a nice sunset. Oh, not sunset, but view of the sun. Portman Bridge. Look over here. Fraser River. I don't think it can get any more beautiful than this, eh?